Welcome! Today we are diving into FlexClip, the ultimate AI-powered online video editor. Whether you're a content creator, business owner, or just getting started, FlexClip makes still effortless. With powerful built-in features like modern text styling, advanced sound effects, and cutting-edge AI tools including text-to-speech and instant voice cloning, you can design highly professional, engaging videos in just a few minutes right from your browser. Click on the Login button in the top right corner. Enter your email and password to log into your account and access the main user dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, you can explore the left sidebar menu to see all the available tools. Click on the Projects tab to view your saved drafts, or browse through the Templates section to discover pre-made video designs. You can also explore the AI Tools tab for quick creation features, or head to the Brand Kit to set up your custom logos. You can see AI Avatar. Click on the AI avatar. You can explore a wide range of realistic digital presenters from the avatar list. You can easily filter through different styles. If you scroll down on the home page, you will find a vast collection of video templates categorized by popular themes like photo slideshows and sport. Create a video button in the top left corner and select your desired aspect ratio, such as the 16.9 widescreen format for YouTube and Facebook. Click onto the 16.9 widescreen format. The FlexClip editor will load and open up the main timeline interface. Inside the editor, the left panel gives you access to all your creative assets. You can use the Media tab to upload files or record your screen, the Text tab to choose stylish titles, and the Video or Images tabs to browse through extensive libraries of stock footage and photos. If you want to add audio, navigate to the Audio section to select background music tracks and sound effects, or use the AI Audio tab to generate a realistic voiceover using the Text-to-Speech tool. Finally, you can use the timeline controls below the preview canvas to play your video and zoom in or out on your clips to adjust your edits perfectly. And that's a wrap. As you've seen, FlexClip is more than just a simple online video editor. It's a complete AI-powered platform that makes video creation fast, easy, and professional for everyone. Whether you're creating content for YouTube, social media, your business, or personal projects, FlexClip provides all the tools you need in one place. If you're looking for a video editor that saves time while delivering professional results, FlexClip is definitely worth trying. I hope this video helped you understand what FlexClip has to offer and how it can make your video creation process much easier. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, honest reviews, and AI tool recommendations. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and keep creating amazing content.